Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shameika. I gotta make that face. Anywho, I'm back with another video today, and before we get into this video, I need you guys to subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss no uploads. Okay, today's video is going to be how to turn your small living space that you want to start a channel with by making videos, but you got a small space. This is what I'm making today to show y'all how to do that. Notice why you can see my mic. Normally I don't make it so noticeable. I don't like this look, but I wanted to show y'all because this is the mic that I'll be using. So hopefully this footage sound good because I didn't. We're gonna jump into the clip of me actually setting up my space, and then I'll tell you guys where I got everything and all of that stuff from. Hi, I'm back. Okay, so starting with the lights, I will actually have my lights in the description box on what I use. I have two soft boxes. I have the link below so you guys can see actually how I end up with these soft boxes, and I really like them and it was very affordable. I'm also going to show you or put a link in the description box on the tripod that I had. I actually got it from Best Buy. I also put that in the description below. I will also put up a video of how I end up finding out about going to, I think it was Home Depot, going to Home Depot, finding these pipes that I actually use for a backdrop. I put that video on, I can't remember the lady's name, but I'll put her video down below on all the information you need to know about the backdrop, about the backdrop stand. But backdrop fabric, I got it from Walmart. Yep, I got it from Walmart. It's like 2 yards. I get everything 2 yards. I have a black one, a purple one, I have a green one, and I think I got like a cream colorish one. As you notice, I always use black one. I'm about to have to start switching it up because I know y'all getting tired of seeing this backdrop. Also, my mic, and it's really just a long a long shebang. I will also have all of that down in the description box. I just plug it up to my camera. My camera is a Canon EOS Rebel T6i. I got it for Black Friday for about $500. I think it's normally running about $700. Don't quote me on that, but I'll put a link. I did get a refurbished camera, so that could have been a reason why it was so cheap, but whatever. I'll put a link down in the below of the Canon website that I actually got it from. It came in the mail super quick. The chair that I had used in this video is just my mother's chair that she has for her kitchen table, and one of these flip out boards or tables or whatever you want to call them. You can get these from like Home Depot, Lowe's, stuff. You might can find it even at Walmart. And this is just like if I'm doing any type of video, makeup wise or anything like that. See, right now I have my camera bag, my phone and stuff on it. I'll give you guys a preview of that. And that is what it's looking like. And normally whatever I'm using for my video is literally on this table, and that's it, you guys. That's all I use. That's how I've been making this content for you. Also, before I finish this video, I didn't have this camera at first, so I was using my iPhone 7 to record videos. And I had just like a mini tripod. I don't have it anymore. It was for my phone to sit on, and I would record with my back camera. And I used to plug it up to my TV that you can't see right now. G flat screen TV. It's a 32-inch, but I use that as my monitor. And this is the little piece that I went out and bought, which so I was using this cord. This extra piece goes into here. That goes into here. And then this piece, you can put your, that piece, you can put in your charger so you can charge at one time. And then this piece, you can put in, the HMDI cord, I think that's what's this called, from your TV. You put that in there, and then it will pop up on your TV screen, so you'll be able to see. So that's how I was recording when I was using my phone. I just used this piece and used my TV as my monitor, which was perfect because my TV is sitting behind the camera, so I can look directly at myself and see that I am in frame. So that's how I was doing that before I got my camera. The only thing that I hated about it was that I always had to use my phone. So it's kind of like you can't do anything with your phone, like listen to music or anything like that. While you record video, like if you're doing a voiceover, you couldn't listen to no music because I played the music on my phone because I have Apple Music, but I couldn't do that because I was recording using the phone, and it used to take up a lot of space, and I always had to like airdrop my videos to my MacBook, and it was just like it used to take too long and all that. Literally now I could just pop out my SIM card and put it in my computer and it pops right up. It's just a lot easier, but to start off, it was perfect. I mean, it got annoying, but it got the job done. So if you want to try to start your YouTube channel, start it. Okay, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'm just trying to grow my channel, but I wouldn't be able to do it if I didn't start. So I just put in this video out to let you guys know to go ahead and start your channel, whether you got a small space like I do, or you got to use your phone, or you need like a back. Inexpensive things you can buy to get your channel started. Like the tripod that I had now is like a black one. It's real sturdy. It's really nice now. It ain't the best of quality, but I paid $20 for it. It's way better than the flimsy one that I had, which I can show y'all in a few seconds. This is my very first tripod. It is like, it's still usable, but it's like real flimsy, not really that sturdy. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I think it was about $13, $14. The one that I have was on sale, that I'm using now. It's just a little bit more sturdier. I got it from Best Buy. It's just a really nice sturdy one, and it's good enough to hold my camera that I have now. This held my phone really well, but I feel like my camera was too heavy for this one. So this is the tripod that I was using. Yeah, so I still have it. It's just really, as you can hear, like, it's just loose. It's not sturdy, but like little stuff is what got me going, you know what I'm saying? I was able to upgrade and get better quality. But the point is, just start your channel. Don't, you know, be like, oh, I don't have this, or I don't have the best technology for this, or I don't have the best this and that and this. When I first started my YouTube channel, which was like 2 years ago, when I first started my YouTube channel, I didn't have anything. Like, I had like a bootleg camera. It was a Canon camera, but I paid like $50 for it. It didn't have HD or nothing like that, but I recorded a few videos off of it that I still have up that you can go check out. But it got the job done. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, start it. Don't let nothing confuse you. Don't let nothing or any material things keep you from starting your channel. Just start it. Doesn't matter what you have, because later at the end of the day, once you start, I'm not even profiting off of my videos yet, so, but you know, get you a job so you'll be able to afford these things, and then you'll be able to upgrade them, you know, as time go on or whatever, and you'll be able to upgrade your equipment and make better qualities. I don't feel like this is my best quality, and I will make upgrades as my channel grow and as I learn more and stuff like that, but this is just where I'm at now, and I wanted to share with you because I wasn't always here first. You know, like, I started recording on my iPhone, moved up to a camera, you know. I just invested in myself. So this is something that you really want to do. Definitely invest. You're definitely going to have to spend some money, you know. To invest in yourself, you have to spend money to make money. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said before, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss no videos, no uploads. I'm trying to upload at least once a week, so hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can know when I upload that video that week. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.